Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to add a OG title and description and everything in Next.js. These are all for SEO purpose. Yep, let's start. So I'm going to add this in about screen. Right now I'm using app routing, so that I can able to add only metadata here. We can able to use head tag because head tag only use in page routing. Okay, so that I'm going to export const and metadata. Inside metadata, I can give title and test1. Okay, description, need to add a comma here. Inside description, I'm going to add a test description. First I save this. See, description, title is changed, our description is also added here. See this. Right now I'm going to add a OG title and everything. Okay, OG title full form is open graph. Here inside open graph we have title, description, and URL type, and I can able to add a image too. Image should be array. Inside this image array you can add a URL, and I need to add a object and image URL and alt tag. This is what we are going to display in the meta tag. And title is like OG. Okay, OG title, and just adding OG description here, and site URL, it might be anything, just adding this, and this website, it's like URL, you give some URL, site URL. Okay, and alt tag also. Just paste this for now, save this, go to site. See here, our OG title, description, URL type, and everything is added here. See this. This is how you can add a OG tag in Next.js. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.